Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion power tools. Consistently the longest running, lightest weight, most compact, most powerful 18-volt tools on the market, with unmatched durability and superior ergonomics and design. New Bosch Cool-Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. 18-volt lithium-ion power tools.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt Max Lithium-Ion Jig Saw, PCC 650B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tool delivers a new dust blower to aid in clearing debris and maintaining visibility of cut. A variable speed trigger 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, 3/4-inch stroke, and 3 orbital settings deliver the cut quality across a variety of materials demanded by the tradesman. This tool also features a shoe that bevels 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts and comfortable over-molded grips to reduce vibration and fatigue while working. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt Max Jig Saw combines cut quality, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want.
Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and compact jigsaw with less vibration. So Makita answered with a 6.5 amp top handle jigsaw. The JB0 600K delivers power and performance with less vibration in a more compact size. It has a powerful 6.5 amp motor, engineered to provide accurate cuts in a variety of materials, with a variable speed control dial to match the speed to the application, and a counterbalance system engineered inside the tool for less vibration. The saw has a well-balanced design that weighs only 5.2 pounds with an ergonomic rubberized soft grip and 2-finger trigger for increased comfort. Additional features include a convenient toolless blade change and a dust port for optimal dust management.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the foot plate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Introducing the GALAX Pro 78221 Jigsaw by GALAX Pro. Its 5 amp hours motor enables straight and clean cuts through different kinds of materials. It has an inbuilt laser guide, which helps you work on your projects more precisely. It is the safe, stress-free way to make accurate cuts. The jigsaw is suitable for general wood cutting, curved cuts and beveled cuts, at positive to negative 45 degrees. It is suitable for light decorative and hobby DIY tasks. Tool-free blade clamp makes jigsaw blade changes much easier. Its 4-stage orbital pendulum action creates faster sawing process, better sawing of curves, and longer lag time of the saw blade.